Hello students, in this session we will discuss about representations of a tree and binary tree concept. First one, representation of trees. A tree can be represented in different formats like list representation, left child right sibling representation, and degree 2 representation. So these are the different ways to represent a tree format in memory unit. First one, list representation. In list representation, first we place the root node followed by list of subtrees of the specified node. Here observe this example. Now this one, tree data structure. So it consists different nodes like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Now, a list representation, first root node exists followed by its children nodes. So A of B, again B consists children nodes. So E, comma, F consists children nodes as H, comma, I. Now we close this parenthesis. Now B point of view, close the parenthesis, comma. Now another child of A, C, of C consists G as child node, comma. Now A consists another children node D. Now such a representation is known as list representation. The second format, left child right sibling representation. So in this format, node structure can be represented as three parts: data part, left child, and right sibling. So here, data part consists information part of the element, and every node has at most one left child and at most one closest right sibling. So for a node point of view, it may consist any number of siblings, but we place the closest right sibling. Let us example. This one, tree data structure. For this one, left child right sibling representation. So first it starts with the root node. For this, the left child is B, hence we place left child. For B, the siblings are C and D. Here C is the closest right sibling, hence it links with B. Now for B, left child is E. For E, sibling is F. Now E to F, there is an edge. For F, left child is H and its sibling is I. Now for B point of view, right sibling node is C. For this, left child is G and right sibling is D. So this one, left child right sibling representation. The third format, degree 2 representation. Now this format arises by rotating the right sibling pointers in the left child right sibling representation in clockwise direction by 45 degrees. So for this, every node we place only two children nodes. Now this one. So every node has maximum degree as 2. It's a tree data structure. Now for this, degree 2 representation is obtained in this format. So A is left child B. For B, left child E, right child C. For E, right child F. For F, left child is H. For H, right child is I. For the node C, left child G and right child D. So these are different possible ways. But the way of designing a tree format becomes very complex, since here there is no any limitation like how many number of nodes are attached to the parent node, so that unique representation is not possible with the given data elements. Hence, we go for another type of tree representation known as binary tree representation. So this one, binary tree concept. So binary means 2. So here, a binary tree, assume this one capital T is a finite set of nodes such that T is empty. In such cases, the tree is treated as empty binary tree. If T is not empty, then there is a specially designated node called root node, and the remaining elements are partitioned into two disjoint sets like T1 and T2, which are known as left subtree and right subtree respectively. So here exact identification is possible, like which is the left subtree and which is the right subtree. So in binary tree concept, a node have maximum 2 children nodes. More than 2 children nodes are not allowed. That is one example. So node A has 2 children nodes, B and D. For B, it has maximum 2 children nodes, E and F. Hence, it is a binary tree. Listen students, every binary tree is a tree, but every tree may not be a binary tree. Okay? Now, in binary tree, again, there are two special kinds of binary trees are available, like full binary tree and complete binary tree. So here, the two special kinds of binary trees are full binary tree and complete binary tree. The first one, full binary tree. A binary tree is said to be full binary tree if it contains maximum possible nodes in all levels. Let us example full binary tree of height 3. Now listen, this one level 1, so it consists only one node. In level 2, it consists 2 children nodes. In level 3, it consists 4 children nodes. In such a way, for every node we place maximum number of children nodes. Hence it is referred as full binary tree of height 3. Next one, complete binary tree. A binary tree is said to be complete binary tree if it consists maximum possible nodes in all levels except the last level, and the nodes are appeared as left as possible. Let us example is a complete binary tree of height 3. Level 1 is only one node. For this, 2 children nodes are possible in level 2. In level 3, 4 children nodes are possible, but here we have only 3 nodes, and these nodes are placed as left as possible. So this one, complete binary tree of height 3. Okay? Thank you one and all.